Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating chapter of our planet's history, one that takes us back millions of years to a time when colossal creatures roamed the Earth. Imagine the African savanna, teeming with life, where early humans like Homo habilis were just beginning to carve out their existence. Picture this: the sun rises over the vast landscape, casting a golden hue on the grasslands. Among the towering trees and winding rivers, two of the most formidable predators of their time are on the hunt: the giant crocodile and the great python. These ancient reptiles were not just creatures of myth. They were real, and they played a crucial role in the ecosystem of prehistoric Africa. Homo habilis, our early human ancestors, were equipped with primitive tools that marked a significant leap in their survival skills. With stones in hand, they navigated their environment, learning to adapt and thrive. But survival wasn't just about tools, it was about understanding the world around them. They had to be keen observers, recognizing the signs of danger and opportunity. As they ventured near water sources, they would have encountered the giant crocodile, a master of ambush. With its powerful jaws and stealthy movements, this predator was a formidable opponent. Early humans had to be cautious, learning to respect the boundaries of these ancient giants. The hunt was not just a physical challenge, it was a test of wits and strategy. And then there was the great python, another predator that commanded respect. With its ability to blend into the environment, it was a silent hunter, capable of taking down prey much larger than itself. For Homo habilis, understanding the behavior of such creatures was essential. They had to learn when to approach and when to retreat, honing their instincts and survival skills in a world where every day was a battle for existence. This interplay between early humans and these magnificent reptiles paints a vivid picture of life millions of years ago. It reminds us of the resilience and adaptability that have been crucial to our evolution. The challenges faced by Homo habilis were not just about survival. They were about learning, growing, and evolving as a species. As we reflect on this incredible journey through time, let's appreciate the rich tapestry of life that has shaped our history. The stories of our ancestors, their struggles, and their triumphs are woven into the very fabric of who we are today. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of prehistoric life. If you enjoyed this journey into the past, consider following or subscribing for more captivating insights into our ancient history. Together, let's continue to uncover the wonders of our world.